The 2026 BMW 116M exemplifies the German automaker's continuous pursuit of engineering excellence within the compact hatchback segment. This model is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine, producing 122 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque. While this output may appear modest compared to higher-performance M models, it provides an optimal balance between efficiency and agility, particularly when paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive configuration enhances maneuverability in urban environments while maintaining sufficient stability for dynamic driving experiences. As such, the 116M presents itself as an ideal option for individuals seeking both everyday usability and spirited performance in a refined package. From a design perspective, the 2026 iteration of the BMW 116M integrates contemporary aesthetics with aerodynamic advancements. The inclusion of the M Sport package imbues the vehicle with a more aggressive stance, characterized by sharper lines, a revised front grille, and sportier accents that distinguish it from its standard counterparts. These enhancements serve not only an aesthetic function but also contribute to improved aerodynamic efficiency, thereby optimizing fuel consumption and performance. The interior of the 116M reflects BMW's ongoing dedication to driver-focused ergonomics and technological sophistication. The cockpit is adorned with premium materials, including soft-touch surfaces and optional Alcantara upholstery, reinforcing the vehicle's sporty yet refined character. Notable features such as M multifunction seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment system enhance both comfort and connectivity. Additional options, such as a panoramic sunroof with electrochromatic shading, further elevate the cabin's ambience, ensuring an immersive and luxurious driving experience.